The following food preparation videos are to be used in any order depending on what you would like to make with your child. We will be using very limited equipment to prepare simple snacks using simple skills. No use of the oven will be needed. We will look at basic hygiene rules before and after food preparation, as well as the preparation of a very simple snack. Food preparation can cover different areas of the curriculum. In maths, it can involve counting, reading numbers, measures and simple mathematical vocabulary like on top of or inside. In English, we can be following instructions. However, the main aspect of food preparation is for the students to learn and have fun, and have social interaction with their family, carers and friends. So on that note, let's go and make something. Before you make some food, make sure your kitchen's clean. Before you make some food, make sure your kitchen's clean. Before you make some food, make sure your kitchen's clean. Before you make some food. Yum, 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 yum. Before you make some food, make sure your hands are clean. Before you make some food, make sure your hands are clean. Before you make some food, make sure your hands are clean. Before you make some food. Yum, 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 yum. Before you make some food, make sure your apron's tied. Before you make some food, make sure your apron's tied. Make sure you make some food, make sure your apron's tied. Now you can make some food. Hello, today we're going to make a sandwich. First, we need 2 slices of bread. 1, 2. Next, we need to have some butter to spread over the bread. Make sure it's covered on both pieces of bread. Then change the knife. Next, we take our jam and we put the jam on the bread. Make sure it's covered up. You can then put both pieces of bread, one on top of each other, and then you can cut it in half into 2 pieces. You have finished making your sandwich. Enjoy it. Hello. Today we're going to make some toast. Now we're going to use a toaster, so you may need some adult help. First of all, you will need a slice of bread and you will put it in the toaster. Then you'll turn it on and you wait for it to go from white to brown. toast is now cooked. Next, we're going to put some butter on the toast. Make sure it's covered completely. Then you can put jam or any other spread you want on top of the toast. Change your knife. Spread it all over. Now your toast has finished. You have now finished making toast. Enjoy. Hello. Today we're going to make a smoothie. To do this, we need a blender, so you may need some adult help to help you. You will need any fruit. We've got a banana. We have an orange. We got some grapes. And we've also got some frozen fruit. First, we're going to peel the banana. So when you peel the banana, it smells very, very nice. It's a very soft fruit. You can use one banana or two bananas, depending how hungry you are, and you put it inside the blender. Next, you are going to peel an orange. You have to get your finger inside and then start pulling off the skin. Now, this may take some time. So you keep going round and round until all the skin has been taken off. Once you've peeled the orange, you can smell the skin and smell how lovely it is. Then you can tear some pieces off and put it inside the blender. Like this. Next, you can put in some grapes if you want to. I'm going to put in a few. Make sure you pull them off the branch. Like this. There you go. And I'm going to add some frozen fruit to it as well, which has some strawberries and some raspberries. And they smell very, very nice. Oops. Next, you need some milk, just to loosen it up a bit. On your marks, get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, stop. When it's all liquidy, it is now ready to pour into your glass. So pour a little into it. And now you can drink your smoothie. Lovely.